Hello everyone, today we are going to watch a video on Mecanum wheels and how do they work. We should also note that there are two types of Mecanum wheels for the movement, with rollers often referred to as left-handed and right-handed Mecanum wheels. Are positioned diagonally. The difference between them is the orientation of the rollers, and they must be installed in the robot car in specific locations in a diagonal direction. The rotation axis of each wheel's top roller should point to the center of the robot or car in a certain pattern. We utilize these diagonal forces, and thus the robot, car, or wheelchair can move in any direction. Here's a quick overview of how the robot or car moves depending on the wheel's rotation direction. If all four wheels move forward, the resulting movement of the robot or car will be forward, and vice versa. If all wheels move backward, the robot will move backward. For moving to the right wheels need to rotate inside the robot car, while the left wheels need to rotate outside the robot or car. The resulting force due to the diagonally positioned rollers will make the robot or car move to the right. The same but opposite happens when moving to the left. With these wheels, we can also achieve movement in a diagonal direction by rotating only two wheels. Considering the above data and information, here is the CAD model of Mecanum wheels designed by me. The wheels are made out of two parts, the outer and inner sides, which are secured together with M4 bolts and nuts. They have 8 rollers each, and a shaft coupler specifically designed motor. The rollers are assembled as a sandwich of several parts. Put the following sequence on a threaded rod, M4x 55 mm, or an M4x 55 mm bolt. M4 washer. Printed half roller. M4 washer. Ball bearing, mounted in a printed holder part. M4 washer. Printed half roller. M4 nut. Repeat this process for all 8 rollers. It's easy and kind of fun assembling these wheels. What's important here is that the rollers need to be able to move freely. Now let's take a look at the application of Mecanum wheels. Practical applications in various fields. Military field. The maneuverability provided by omnidirectional vehicles can be utilized and can be very important in numerous outdoor applications, such as search and rescue missions, military activities, planetary explorations, and mine operations. This wheel is commonly used in robotic applications requiring a high degree of maneuverability, such as those experienced by hazardous environment exploration. Industrial field. Applications requiring tight maneuvering or transporting long loads sideways through standard-sized doors or narrow aisleways. The wheels consist of a large, heavy-duty hub with 12 uniquely designed polyurethane rollers. The wheel and roller design provide the omnidirectional movement of the vehicle based on the speed and direction of each wheel as determined by the operation of the traction joystick. Medical field. Powered wheelchairs are known to provide benefits for older adults by enabling them to have a means of independent mobility. These benefits include participation in self-care, productivity, and leisure occupations, as well as socialization opportunities. Overall, powered wheelchairs are linked to an improved quality of life for older adults who have a reduced ability to walk and do not have the stamina, strength, or ability to propel themselves in a manual wheelchair. Without a powered wheelchair, these older adults would be dependent on others to complete life tasks and unable to have independent mobility. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.